Hello, good morning, good evening. Oh, guess what today is? Today it's Friday. Yay. It's, what time is it? Time check. Tignan natin yung time. Tignan natin yung time check. See? It's 5:43 in the morning and it's finally Friday. I don't know what's gonna happen today. By the way, yesterday I forgot to tell you guys that I work overtime again. Yay! Overtime is always good. No complaint. Kahit na masakit yung mga paa, kakayanin natin yan for extra money, diba? Like, wow! Today, the parking lot, nandito na ako sa trabaho ko, sa parking lot. I try my best not to yung videohan ng maraming area kasi pinagbabawal na nga dito, diba? So nandito ako sa sasakyan ko, ina-updated ko kayo na today is Friday, finally. I don't know kung mag-overtime kami, pero kahapon nag-overtime kami. So meron na tayong 6 or 8 hours overtime. Ang overtime namin dito is time and a half. Kung magkano yung sinahod mo, halimbawa every hour ganito yung sahod mo. Tapos pag lumagpas ka ng 40 hours, ang tawag nila doon, yung sobra sa 40 hours, tawag nila doon. I'm not really good on explanation, so be with me. Tawag nila time and a half. So halimbawa, for example, ang sahod mo is 500 per hour. Example lang yun. 500 pesos per hour. So pag sinabing time and a half, so 500 plus kalahati ng 500. So, magkano na yung total? 750 na. Tama po ba? So, 500 plus kalahati ng 500. So, 750. I don't know. Do the math. But anyway, updated ko kayo mamaya kung ano ang balita. Pero sa ngayon, madaling pa. Madaling araw pa eh. 5:45. Kailangan pumasok na ako kasi kailangan mag-clock in ako bago mag 6 o'clock. So, updated ko. God, bulol. Updated ko kayo mamaya kung merong overtime. I doubt it kasi most of the time, Friday, hindi nag-overtime. Pero kung meron, yay! Thank you. Pasok na tayo. Mahirap na baka malate tayo. Ang hangin sa labas. Finally, it's Friday. Yeah. Nakatapos na naman tayo ng 8 hours. Wala tayong overtime. Yeah, most of the time naman ganun eh. Pag sa amin, pagdating ng Friday, walang overtime. Pero pagdating naman ng Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, yan, nagbibigay sila ng overtime. Pag Friday, ang mga tao dito, oh my God, they're ready to get out of here. Especially yung weather. Maganda na naman yung weather. Spring is coming, sunny, warm. Yung mga tao nag-i-enjoy sa mga pamilya nila. So, yeah. So, that's it for today. Ano bang ganap today? I think dadalhin ko si Jason sa doctor kasi kailangan niyang yung physical niya para i-turn in niya dun sa sa teacher niya para pagdating ng Monday tatakbo ulit siya sa tracks. Kasi nga ganun dito, hindi ka pwedeng sumali ng sports na wala kang physical. Kaya uwi na tayo. Yay! Friday. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ni June. Who knows? Tignan. Uwi na tayo. Napaka-windy ngayon, guys. So windy. Baka makabangga pa tayo ng sasakyan.
It's about time. My name is Jeffrey Moore. I'm working for the automobile dealership.
We're in the clinic right now to get Jason physical. What is it? Yeah, 20. He's trying to learn how to fill up his own paper.
I already know how to.
He's big boy now.
And a couple of emails. Only had to go into the office to go to pick up my check. It was that easy. When our clean shiny truck arrives at your
Are you sure? You tend to exaggerate. You're turning 65 soon. You should really call and ask them yourself.
Thank you for calling it. How can I help you?
We just finished doing his physical, so he got it. He passed it. Now we're gonna go eat.
Lamahor Morales.
Huh?
Lamahor Morales.
Where did you eat last time?
Morales, not Lamahor.
Okay.
So Morales?
Yeah.
Wait, so did you get the bread from Morales or Lamahor?
Lamahor.
Oh, that's probably why. Sorry, I get mixed up.
Alright, see you guys later. We pass it. Pupunta naman kami sa restaurant. You got my credit card? Got it?
No, no.
Oh my god.
I kept it.
That's a very long thing.
No.
No, you're good?
Yeah.
You don't want to put it in the fridge?
Well,
Don't put it in the fridge. You left over.
I got a food.
Hey. Crispy. Mamadali kami. Nagmamadaling kumain. Si Jason hindi na makakain. Kasi naghintay kami ng mga 30 minutes sa sasakyan. Ang dami siguro yung order. Is this steak torta, Jason? This is what you call it, steak torta? Ngayon nagmamadali siya kasi ida-drop off pa namin siya sa high school. Magpe-play sila ng music band sa high school. Mm. 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 Mm.
No, definitely not.
You don't want this sauce? Daddy, come on.
Here's the thing. I wanted to. Mom didn't want to. That's mom.
Daddy, get a bite so you can tell what Jason's talking about.
Right, I'm gonna pee.
Okay.
It's like bread. It's bread.
Nagmamadali siya kasi he need to be at high school at 6 o'clock.
Wrong.
What is it? What time?
6:50.
6.
So what's different, Mom?
Right here.
Where's the limes at, Mom?
In the drawer, the left drawer. Left. No? Yeah, try it.
I got the pocket over.
You got lemons?
Yeah, that's lime.
These are big.
Oh, get the green one.
That's lime.
Where?
The green one, right there. Get the green one.
Please open.
Yeah, I didn't watch that. It was green when I bought it.
Right there, baby. It's open.
Where?
Mom, it's same bread, thick bread.
Try it before.
Not even close.
Try it.
Look how thick the bread.
Try it.
Eat it, dude.
It's not as hard than the other
This
one.
one will have meat. Look. Oh,
I told him that it's lack of.
ain't no meat. Jason, look.
Just eat it, bro.
It's not hot. Oh, you lied about that.
I think it's good.
What about?
Yeah, but
We got ripped off.
it's done.
Get it.
I think this time your meat, Mommy, chop it up.
It's because Mom didn't want to dine in. I told her you get way better service when you dine in. But she kept saying no.
First of all, he told me to go. You don't care. I said, okay.
Nah, passing it. How much is that one?
Like $12.
Exactly same bread, man.
No. Good yummy. For me, it's okay. Big lemon.
The service is bad too.
Yeah. I think a lot of people ordered, as a lot of people got order. So maybe they're busy today. I wonder what's the white one. Sour
Mayonnaise?
cream. After we ate, now we're going straight to the high school. What are we gonna do in the high school again?
I'm gonna go to a basketball game.
Oh, basketball game. So I have to drop off Jason to the basketball game. Then I have to pick him up again. I have to pick him up about 9 p.m. I'm glad it's Friday. Woohoo! Friday. Later.
See you.
See ya. Yeah, I just dropped him off to his high school right here. At meron silang meron play ng basketball. Isa siya dun sa maglalaro ng music instrument. So after this, I told him call me if you don't have a ride. Dahil hindi pa siya, wala pa siyang lisensya. Nagpa-practice siya para makakuha siya ng lisensya. So, pretty soon, marunong na siyang mag-drive. Siya na lang mag-isang pupunta sa school niya at uwi ng bahay. Very convenient also kasi it kinda help us para ba, pag matutulog ka na lang, matulog ka na lang. Hindi ka nagigising or hindi ka na mag-aalala kung sino yung pipick up sa kanya. So, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget, subscribe ka na. And by the way, guys, if you guys watching my video, let me roll up my window. Maingay sa labas. Yeah. And if you are watching this video, and if you don't mind, can you please say hi to me and tell me where you from? Okay? Kasi nakakatuwa knowing kung taga saan kayo, kasi kung minsan may nag-shout out, taga Baguio sila, yung iba naman taga Canada, yung iba naman taga Manila. So, if you don't mind, write it down, comment down below kung taga saan kayo sa Pilipinas or kung saan man kayo dito sa buong mundo. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.